My name is Jennifer Soto and I am from Florida. I have been a consultant for 21 years, and in the past 21 years our businesses have changed a lot. About 7 years ago I actually started my business page, and the amount of effort that I've put into it over the years has definitely varied, but right now I think of it as my virtual business card. I share my Facebook link pretty much exclusively when I meet people. It has both a link to my website and a place for people to contact me, but they can also get to know me in a way that they can't on my personal website, which is how I build a relationship with both people who are my customers currently and those who aren't yet. If you send someone to your personal website and they don't buy, then there's no future relationship building. A lot of people have wondered about the difference between having a Facebook business page and having a VIP or a customer group. I want you to think of it this way. Your page is your storefront. Imagine that you're at the mall and you're wandering around and you're looking at all the storefronts and the pretty displays and the sale signs. That's your business page, that front window of your business. Your VIP group, it's the inside of the store. It's where you can interact with your customers and get to know them. So yeah, you definitely need both. Here are some perks to having a Facebook business page. Number one, you're Google searchable. Facebook gets high rankings in search engine optimization, so take advantage of that. People can find me by typing in my city and pampered chef. Your message conversations are also searchable by you. Hello, have you ever lost a conversation on Messenger? I know I have, and you know what? You can even make notes. You can also put captions on your videos. This is huge. Raise your hand if you like to watch videos with the sound off. That would be me. You can use it to house all the home office videos for your parties, and then when you share the link from the video into your party, it automatically plays, unlike when you share a link from YouTube. You can add an event to your you can add an event that you are attending or participating in, say at a vendor event or a networking event. You can add it to your page even if you're not the host. It'll show up on your events just the same as the ones that you create yourself. So here are a couple tips to help you get the most out of your page. First of all, post daily. I use a daily prompt from the SenseShare blog that gives me ideas about what to post. Go live. You can prep your audience and widen your exposure by doing some low-cost engagement, some fill-in-the-blank questions or scale of 1 to 10 questions a couple of days before you go live, and then let your audience know when you're going live, and then go live at the same time that you said you were going to. You can also go live spontaneously all the time when you're cooking dinner or making things in your kitchen or meal prepping. Even if you're just cooking chicken nuggets, they want to know what you're cooking at home. Be personal. Remember to share something about your personality and not just sales, sales, sales. They want to get to know you. Link all your parties to your page. If you're using groups, just click on the groups link on the left-hand side of the page on the computer and create your group. It'll automatically add your personal profile to the group as well. This is how Facebook wants you to sell, in groups that are linked and that you're using your business profile with. They're not banning you from selling, but forcing you to comply with community standards. If your group is already created, it's okay. You can go to the same place on your business page and choose to link the existing group to your Facebook business page. Just make sure that you change who you're interacting as on the page, and you want to interact as your business page. All right, so when you're in your parties, make sure you're posting as your Facebook business page. I encourage people early on in the party to like my business page. I give them like 25 tickets so that they can see my posts. Facebook says, oh, hey, they like Jennifer Soto. They want to see her posts. So when we're in the same group and they already like my page, then they're more likely to see my posts. I also put all of my cooking shows on here as events. I want people to see a business page that's full of groups and events and things going on so that people will trust me. People want to work with people that they know, like, and trust, and your business page allows for all of that. So I hope this helps you. Don't overthink it. Think of your business page as your virtual business card and share it everywhere.